welcome back to DIYGolfCar.com. In our continuing series working on this 2012 EZGO RXV. Today we're going to be working on this sun top. We're going to take it off the car, get it cleaned up, refurbished, and put it back on. In doing this, we're going to remove 2 bolts in the front, 1 on each side, 4 bolts in the back, 2 on each side. Check your bolt sizes. I've already done mine. They're 15 millimeters. I'm going to go grab my tools and let's get started.
Do it yourself, do it yourself, do it yourself, It's the one-stop shop for installing car parts.
In today's project, we'll be using a 15 millimeter socket, a 3/8 drive ratchet, and a 15 millimeter wrench. Using the 15 millimeter wrench, hold the head of the bolt in place. Using your socket and ratchet, remove the nut off of each bolt. Once these are done, you can remove the top. Okay, now that we've got all 6 bolts removed, let's get this thing off and cleaned up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf car parts and accessories, check out DIYGolfCart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.